Okay, I have a little bit of a problem when it comes to sod installation.
Okay.
And that is that when you go to sod.com and the videos that you got over there, you're telling us to water upwards of 3 times a day on a brand new install.
We are.
What's up with that?
What's up with that? Well, first of all, we also don't tell you to water for the same amount of time. There's 2 things you can do.
Okay.
You can change how often you irrigate and how long you irrigate. Think about it like this. I'm going to give you this cup and I'm going to say, how many times are you going to fill that up every day?
I need to fill it up, let's just say on a good day, and I have a potty nearby, 10 times.
You're going to drink 10 of those, right? Fair enough. But tomorrow I'm going to say, okay, fine. I'm going to give you this cup. How many times?
All right, you've just beefed me up to about 300 times.
All right, that's right. So that's what's going on with the lawn. We don't want you to water, in this case, you're watering your lawn, the analogy is once every 3 days. Mm-hmm. And in this case, you're watering your lawn 3 times a day. Because this is all the amount of water we're telling you to put down. I don't want you to put this much water down 3 times a day. I want you to put this much water 3 times a day. The roots are in the grass piece. There's 5/8 of an inch of soil there. The roots are this long. The plant is the same plant. It's using the same amount of water, but it can only access this deep. And as it gets deeper and deeper, it gets down into the big cup. And once it gets into the big cup, deeper into the soil, it can go multiple days.
So that's the establishment period.
Yes.
So your establishment period keeps on going down. So initially, we're not going to be watering that deep. We don't need to create a swimming pool or a swamp.
Right.
And therefore, we have a little bit each day. Because of the porosity that is inside the soil, it's going to go through that, and it's going to slightly tickle the soil that's there, and then the roots will eventually attach itself.
The roots will keep following the water down because that's what it wants to do, right? And now you got your mature roots.
Yeah, you do.
And they're all the way down in the cup. And now I can go every 3rd day,
okay,
right? Or every 2nd day, depending on where you are. Like if you're jogging, you're drinking more, right? So if you're inland and it's a hot day, it's like you running a marathon, you're drinking a lot of water. But if you're on the coast and it's foggy, you're not going to drink as often.
That also goes true seasonally as well, where in the summertime you may use just a little bit more than the wintertime because of nature. You may not have to water at all.
Right, right.
So when we're walking out our house, we see these little spots, we see whether it's an overall thing, we see the little spots, we can adjust accordingly.
That's right.